Thank you guys so much for watching this quick video. Gary and Tony stopped by with their new cars, and they are so sweet. So I figured I'd grab a few quick clips while they're still here so you guys can see them and enjoy them. They'll be on a rally eventually, and we'll get some more rolling shots and, you know, driving footage then. But until then, you know, just the cars are sweet, so I figured I'd grab some shots. Like always, hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.